Hello YouTube. So this is part 2 of repairing or fixing my LG, or in this case Kenmore, but basically it's made by LG, the washing machine, where it would not power on at all. So I have another video that I posted yesterday, basically talking about how to remove the top and how to make some preliminary diagnosis about determining potentially which part may have failed. So anytime that you don't have powering on type situation where the machine just, you press the power button, nothing happens, then obviously it's an electrical issue. So once you open up the machine, you see that there's basically two main electrical modules. Okay, so on the left right there is the main circuit board. My understanding is that usually it's not what has failed, but that's possible. And then on the right, this is what they call a noise filter module. Okay, so I have already replaced it. This is a new one, and I've tested it, and it's working now. My machine is working now. So what I'm going to do is to go over to the one that I took out, and this is the noise filter module that was removed and tested to have failed. And let me turn this around so you can see what the part number is. Okay, and so that is the old part number. So evidently they have improved the part itself. So the new part number is the same numbers, except the last digit, instead of it being an L like a Larry, it's now T as in Tom. So let me go to the where I got it from. I had to go like 20 miles away from my house to get it. This is a appliance parts supplier warehouse, and this is the only place that had it. I called many other places. Obviously you can go on the internet and get one, but I didn't want to wait. Because I'm about to leave town. So let me show you. This is actually the invoice. Here is the part number, and for this machine. So how did I test this this module? And so what you need to do is to get yourself a multimeter. These are really inexpensive nowadays. And what you need to do is to test continuity between these three connectors, and then these three connectors from left to right. There should be continuity amongst all three of them from left to right. And so first of all, what you want to do is turn your multimeter to the continuity testing setting, and what you do is you go ahead and put one of the probes in on that side. You see that? And if there's continuity amongst the two, then there should be a beep. You hear that? All right, so that tested good. So now let's go to the next connector and test the second one. Okay, and oops, see, there's no beep. So we know that this is bad. Okay, but let me go and test one more. And we'll go and test the third one, and there's probably going to be a beep. See, so now you know there's continuity on the first and the last connector, but the middle one is burned out. Something bad happened, and so this is junk. And so you know, once you determine that, you go and buy, you know, the part, and you make sure that the machine, the washing machine, is unplugged. Okay, and then you go and swap out, you know, just remove these connectors. You know, remove this one, you just squeeze the tab right down here, and then on the other side you got another tab, squeeze it, pull it out, and there is a Phillips screw right here. You know, take that out, unscrew it, and so this is what the new module looks like. And so we're good to go. And so this is how it turns on. See that? So yeah, life is good. And thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe, and God bless you. I will talk to you soon.